G-Shock are celebrating the Lunar New Year with their bold release to their GM5600 lineup. Today, I'm unboxing the GM5600CX-4D, which comes with a very loud colorway. Of course, this color palette isn't by accident. The combination of red and gold colors has long been a tradition for celebrating the Lunar New Year. 2021 is the year of the ox, and the next year of the ox is not for 12 years in 2033. One thing that is really unique about this watch is the red colored display, and it seems the only thing not colored red or gold is the Casio logo on the face. The hairline finish across the gold bezel contrasts really well with the otherwise polished gold case and gives the watch some texture. Engraved on the case back is a logo of an ox, which is a nice touch. Battery life will last you about 2 years, and it'll be quite accurate for that time, with a recorded accuracy of only plus or minus 15 seconds a month. Case size measures in at 49.6 millimeters, so it's quite the large watch, but it only weighs in at 73 grams. And with the resin band, these watches are quite comfortable. This would work really well as a gift for someone who's born in the year of the ox, or if you just like the color red. Either way, you can check it out at watchdepot.com.au, or if this one isn't your style, we have plenty to choose from.